With our new Vacc-Safe PowerGuard range, you never have to worry about power blackouts or big backup battery systems next to your units again. The built-in PowerGuard battery backup keeps your space looking clean and keeps your fridge running after a blackout to keep your vaccine safe. Here's how it works. The green light means that everything is running normally. The unit is on and the PowerGuard battery backup system is charged and ready for any unforeseen circumstances. If the unit loses power, you will hear an audible beep to warn that there is no incoming power, and the yellow light will switch on, indicating that the unit is operating on the PowerGuard battery backup system. If you wish to turn off the unit after disconnecting power, just hold down the small black button for 3 seconds. After a single beep, all 3 lights will switch off, indicating that the PowerGuard battery backup unit has shut down. To turn the PowerGuard battery backup system back on, just connect power to the unit and the PowerGuard battery backup will turn back on automatically. It's that easy. Thank you for choosing Vacc-Safe PowerGuard and have a great day.